Hey, how to use the collect folders names to text file program in collecting the folders name inside one folder. Follow me in this video to know how to do this. So you have to open the folder or the directory, and here we have readme file, and this is the program. The program you will operate from any directory or from any drive. So let's read what. First you have to install Python because it's written in Python in your machine, and update this line with the folder name, or the folder which include the folders which you need, or the program I developed it, so you can the program will ask you for this folder path and you will enter. Then actually you will run the script, check the output, the open folder names text, this one, on the same directory where you operated this script. Very easy, and you will find the output like this. Let's try it. This is the folder, this is the program in the C directory, so I will write it .by, enter. You will ask me for the path of the directory or the folder, so I am using this one in H, and its folder is code, this one. So I will press here edit address. This is the address or the path. Copy it and go directly here and paste it and then enter. Successfully wrote 34 folders names to the folder. Where it found in C. It folder names. Where folder names, 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 folder names. You will find here. Folder names. Open. All the folders inside it are the same. This is the folder. If you have any question, ask me and I will reply. Only the folder names, not the files. Only the folder names, not the files. Okay? If you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.